Today we're going to take a look at this 2019 Grady-White 236 Fisherman. This boat has been lift kept and is powered by a Yamaha 300 with only 90 hours on it. It is in Seaport Blue, never been bottom painted. Does have color match underneath the hard top. Windlass. Boat is equipped with a nice Simrad electronics package. Bennett trim tabs. Has some nice storage boxes in the back. Typically you can keep a second anchor for the boat beach, maybe put some coolers, use the other one as a cooler. Tackle storage in the back. Fish box, ski pylon option, live well. This boat also comes with a 3-sided enclosure, the wing curtains. Excuse me, not the 3-sided, it has the wing curtains. 12-inch Simrad VHF, has the CL7 Yamaha screen on it, Fusion stereo, digital throttle and shift. Forward seating with backrest swivel in to get out of the way. You also have a forward seat here with a cooler underneath. Obviously fish boxes or storage boxes underneath. Plenty of cup holders all the way around the boat, as well as rod holders. Does have a porta potty in the center console. Take a quick look at that in a moment. Rear drop down seat. Boat is rated for 10 passengers. And there's your wing curtains and your porta potty. If you have any other questions about this boat, give us a call here at MarineMax in Ocean View.